Hello, let me explain using the calf shock-up button. Preheating temperature 116 degree, start plus 9. Preheating temperature 0 degree, start plus 0. Cooking temperature 175 degree, start plus 3. Cooking temperature 118 degree, start plus 4. Raise the cooking temperature up button. Lower cooking temperature down button. Raise the preheating temperature start plus up button. Lower the preheating temperature start plus down button. Raise the minute up button. Lower the minute down button. Raise the second start plus up button. Lower the second start plus down button. To save, select the 2-digit temperature and time setting. Press the M for more than 3 seconds. Make a beep sound. Loading. Press 2-digit number. Thank you. For more information, please contact me by email. Thank you.